so that we can be able to have equity in terms of access to healthcare services.
Kawadhi nyime ni duol makedo kod wach yedhe mameroji ma NACADA oyango ni yath mameroji midendo ni Fentalyn pok ochopo e pacho ka. Maeri en bang' timo nonro e thuolo ma jumbe 2 kaluwore gi video mar rowere ma yath onuro mane kere e yore mag mbui mane chechni tiyo gi yadhno midendo ni Fentalyn. Jata tije ka NACADA koni giyango ni rowerego sani oyango yedhe mopogore opogore ma gijang'iewo kaeto gikiko makelo negi mer makamano. Gidwa ni piny owacho mondo ka okang' mager ne weg dukni ma yedhe ma uso yedhe mameroji maonge obok mowuok kuom laktar magayo wach tiyo gi yedhego.
We can comfortably state that we have not found any reported fentanyl case. You know, the fentanyl was the fentanyl is the drug which we really suspected could have been the cause of this. And as you know, it is a very dangerous drug. Countries where this drug has been reported has shown very devastating effects.
As NACADA, we will work with the Pharmacy and Poisons Board to see that those drugs that are prescribed go to the right people and that they will work out in a professional way so that they are not abused in any way. But also the second finding that came out was to note that we have even the veterinary drugs being used on this, and so the veterinary board will engage so that at least these drugs are kept off so that they can only be used in the right place.
Nashukuru sana kwa hii natija ambayo imetoka kwa hatuna Fentalyn. Fentalyn ndio ilikuwa ina wasiwasi mkubwa sana kwetu. Lakini tumenukuu matatizo. Bwana CEO amesema hapa matatizo ya kupata ile poly drug use ambao watu wanachanganya. Nafikiri kama pia maswali yenu yalikuwa sawa sana ambao inaambatana sambamba na hii ripoti kuwa baada ya hapa tufanye nini.